Hey, this is Nathan with ProLine Range Hoods, and today I'm going to go over some frequently asked questions regarding your cast iron pan. Can you leave food in your cast iron overnight? If it's enameled, then I would say yes, just as long as your food and cookware are at room temperature. If it's a traditional cast iron pan, I would say no. What kind of utensils can you use on your cast iron cookware? You can pretty much use anything. Just be careful not to scratch it too hard, otherwise you'll have to re-season it. Is cooking on your cast iron dangerous? Absolutely not. As long as there's no cracks, holes, rust, and is seasoned properly, you should be good to go. Can you cook with pre-seasoned cast iron? Absolutely you can, but we recommend that you give it a quick wash and re-season it because the more, the better. How do you safely clean your seasoned cast iron? The best way to clean it is just using a little bit of warm soapy water and a non-abrasive sponge. Just make sure you rinse it completely and dry it completely, and then you're good to go. When should I throw away my cast iron skillet? Most surface issues can be fixed with either soapy water or a 1-to-1 vinegar solution soak. Just don't forget to re-season your pan again. However, if there are any structural issues with your pan, like any cracks or holes, then think about getting a new one. These were some of the questions we usually get about cast iron. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comments below. We'll answer them for you. Thanks for watching.